The Gangadhar lift irrigation project Odisha is set to provide irrigation water to Bijaypur, Sohela, Borpali and Dunguripali blocks comprising of 129 villages in Bargarh and Subarnapur districts, which will irrigate 25,600 hectares command cultivable area. Ringali pumping station, which is located at headworks of Bargarh main canal at Zero Road, having 5 numbers of VT pumps and motors which will pump water for 32.42 km via MS pipe rising main of 3 meter diameter to the Tunga main pumping station. The Tunga main pumping station execution works are completed and presently is under trial operation, which comprises of sump having capacity to cater a retention period of 3 minutes, pump floor room having 6 numbers of HFC pumps and motors of 2600 kW each, switchgear room having electrical PLC SCADA panels for operation, main step-down distribution substation for power connectivity and watchman quarters. From the Tunga main pumping station, the raw water will pump again for 20.64 km via MS pipe rising main of 3.8 meter diameter to the Kapali intermediate pumping station. 3 numbers of MS pipe fabrication yard has been set up for manufacturing various diameters of MS pipe as required in this project, and the fabrication has done through various sections. Before starting the rising main MS pipeline laying works, the ground truthing survey works are done for finalizing the pipe alignments, and accordingly rising main works are completed. The Kapali intermediate pumping station comprises of sump, pump floor room having 2 divisions, that is top and bottom pressure zone, which have 6 numbers of HSC pumps and motor each. The top pressure zone having 1000 kW motors which will deliver water to irrigate 8,241 hectares, and bottom pressure zone having 950 kW motors which will deliver water to irrigate 17,359 hectares via dedicated primary filtration system and distribution network. Before starting the MS pipe rising main and distribution network of DI and HDP pipe laying works, the ground truthing survey works are done for finalizing the pipe alignments by fixing the permanent and temporary benchmarks for both top and bottom pressure zone. MS pipe rising main laying works for 2200 mm diameter and 3200 mm diameter for top and bottom pressure zone respectively up to 1100 mm diameter. MS pipe having total scope length of 10.8 km and 27.1 km for top and bottom pressure zone respectively. DI pipes of K7 grade are used for the distribution network, which have been procured from 2 approved vendors having diameter range from 300 mm to 1000 mm diameter and supplied to site having total scope length of 51 km and 99 km for top and bottom pressure zone respectively. HDPE pipes of PN6 rating are used for the distribution network system, which have been procured from 5 approved vendors having diameter range from 125 mm to 280 mm and supplied to site after quality check or third-party inspection agency. HDPE pipes having total scope length of 2,892 km have been laid for both top and bottom pressure zones distribution network. The pumping water will be distributed through a 20 hectares OMS chamber having SCADA system to the 1 hectare chalk outlets as per the beneficiary requirements or their cropping pattern. At present, necessary farmers' awareness programs have also been initiated through Palli Sabha. The formation of Water User Association has been done and they are being guided for 5 years during operation and maintenance period of execution agency, and afterwards the Pani Panchayat Association will take over the operations. The farmers are emphasizing this project and the supply of water to the total Ayakat will be delivered soon to their irrigation need from this Rabi season for ease in livelihoods.